Hello, everyone. So today is 24th of July. It's almost 10 minutes to 11 p.m. Eastern Time. So I just wanted to do a quick video on the earning calls, the earning call video I did a couple of days back. So just wanted to do a follow-up and just want to see what's happening in the market. So let's see. Asian stocks dip as trade, AI optimism cools, but head for strong week. So there, Tokyo CPI inflation slows more than expected in July. So no need for Bank of Japan to do anything on the rates. That means US stock market dollar JPY carry trade, which is known as the difference of interest rate, will continue, and there will be no surprise from Bank of Japan by increasing the rate. So that is a good sign for the US equities. Okay, Trump presses Powell to cut rate during 10th visit to Fed. I think there were some rumors in the market that this will intensify, but it seems like that President Trump is not considering any. So let's see what it says here. Okay, the cost. Okay. Okay, I think I have read somewhere that I would love him to. Okay, so I would love him to lower interest rate. Okay, and it said somewhere that the cost over. Okay, so this is the key. In a post on his Truth Social media site, Trump later said the renovation, it is what it is, and hopefully it will be finished ASAP. The cost overruns are substantial, but on the positive side, our country is doing very well and can afford just about anything. So that means the escalation, the visibility, tense interaction, massive construction site marked an escalation. This. Okay. Mark an escalation of White House pressure on the central bank. Trump efforts to get Powell do the right thing on rates. So I think that I have read somewhere that Trump is not planning to get rid of Powell, to remove Powell. Now, let me put it this way: to remove Powell. I have read somewhere, but anyways, it is somewhere. We'll see it in a way. Okay, so let's come back to the main point. So what we have seen, let's see. You all know that I produce this weekly probability map. So according to the weekly probability map, yesterday was bullish, today was mixed to bearish, and then tomorrow is bullish with Dow 64% of the time higher, 60% S&P, and 57% on Nasdaq, which is a good looking good for the market tomorrow. Guys, thank you very much for following me on YouTube, Twitter. Please follow. If you're not, then please follow, subscribe, like, and share in your network. TWT Learning provides financial market education and research. We provide training on how to identify high probability investing and trading setups. I'm going to announce a course very soon. Those interested, please reach out to admin@twtlearning.com. That's admin@twtlearning.com. Please visit my twtlearning.com website, and you can contact us from there, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number available there. Thank you very much for your time. So let's go straight into the earnings. Okay. By the way, I have also started writing them with the fxstreet.com. So there with FX Street, I cover cryptos, commodities. I'm also looking into FX and more on the economic data. So guys, you can find my fxstreet.com stories here. And then I'm also on investing.com mostly doing the earning calls, earning previews. So we talked about Verizon. So Verizon after the earning has popped higher a little bit, which is good. Coca-Cola held this line, which I showed you in the last YouTube earning call a YouTube video. SAP broke this level where it comes to American Airlines. It's still though the Q3 the earnings are not that great compared to United Airlines and Delta Airlines. However, it is still at a good level and has a good potential, gradual and slow potential to $18, as long as it does not break 8.25 on the downside. Texas Instrument, we talked about this. Texas Instrument had a resistance, I showed you this resistance and it dropped, right? And let's look at IBM. So IBM actually, yes, IBM has a surprise and IBM has gone down. So that's there. It broke through the trend line. Let's see. Okay, Intel. When it comes to Intel, Intel is still in the range. Nothing significantly changed. Let's see what happened after the earnings. More layoffs coming from Intel. So market closed, and okay. So it's 21.5859. Yeah. So let's see one more thing. Okay, no, it's 1 second. It closed post-market. No, 1 second. Yeah, so it dropped to 21.567. Yeah, but that is actually at the close. And the market was closing in the post-market around 8 p.m. Okay, let's look at the futures. So Nasdaq future is still in the uptrend, but the range on a daily basis is going smaller and smaller. Sign of I would say it's a sign of losing upside momentum, but as long as it's in the channel, it's still going higher. Right. So let's go to S&P and S&P futures. So still going higher. See a couple of days of a sharp intraday range higher, daily range moving higher, and then a small range, and then it goes higher. So S&P has more room on the upside probably. Where it comes to QQQ is testing the midpoint. If it breaks the midpoint, it is going to at least retest. So we are actually 565.81. The all-time high is 566.06. There is a probability that we may open with the gap. Looking at the probability map that tomorrow is a bullish day. SPY. Okay, 1 second. So SPY, if you see SPY is all-time high, and let me remove this trend line because now it does not have any meaning. Okay, so let me just remove this and let me do this here. Okay, so SPY is also going higher, and I see that SPY can make a new high tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Where it comes to UVXY, the volatility is dying. It's at the all-time low, right? Because now the trade war, trade tariff agreements are being signed. EU is also likely to sign sooner than expected. Otherwise, EU is going to imply 100 billion euro of tariff on the US if they do not agree by 1st August. Okay? 1st August is the deadline. So let's look at Tesla. Earnings was bad. I did share with you guys that the Tesla will drop after earnings. And that's what we have seen. Though Tesla is close to the support level, we still need to see if Tesla is able to hold 300. So far today, yes, it did. The low is 300, almost 300, yeah. So from 300, it bounced back. Right. So let's see. NVDA. NVDA is still maintaining this up channel. It did test the 174, 175, which was the target, came down, still holding this channel. Let's see. AMD made a new high, breaking the previous high, the recent high, which was about 162. We are now 164. Okay, then we have Alphabet. Google, as I suggested last time, the Google was somewhere around this level. So Google has surpassed and it did go to almost 198 before coming down. Google has large capex for AI. It is the race for AI. Those who will not put capex will be left behind. And I think Google will go to at least 200 plus in coming weeks. All right, where it comes to AVGO, if you see AVGO, it failed to break this resistance. AVGO can come down to test this point. There is a possibility, but with the way AI theme is going on, I think it may remain in the range before it goes further higher. Apple hasn't moved yet. Okay, Microsoft still holding this trend line. Amazon, as I mentioned, that Amazon will eventually move higher, and that's what we have seen. Amazon is 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 basically a moves in a turtle style. So that's all from my side. I think Amazon, the way it has dropped from 236 high into 232, it suggests that it may come down to test the trend line to 228. That's a quick outlook uh, of what looks like, and then we'll do a follow up soon. Take care, guys. Have a great trading day on Friday, and have a good weekend, guys.